This homemade hot honey is so good, you'll start looking for excuses to drizzle it on everything.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
In this recipe, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make hot honey. It's sweet, spicy, and way better than store-bought.
Round up some honey, 1 pound, 16 ounces, or 454 grams, and add it to a small sauce pot.
You may be wondering why homemade spicy honey is better than store-bought. You control the sweetness, spice, and freshness. No preservatives, no artificial flavors. You can make it how you like it.
Crank your burner up to low heat. You don't want to bring this to a boil, but you do want to warm up that honey. And while it's warming up, you can prepare all of the items that you're going to infuse the honey with. For this recipe, I'm using 3 jalapeno peppers, but you can use any type of peppers that you prefer. You can either chop them up nice and fine, or you can leave them large so that they're easier to pull out at the end if you want to filter it out for a nice smooth hot honey. For this recipe, I'm going to keep them nice and large because I'm going to utilize these guys to help make another recipe a little bit later. I'm also going to use 1 clove of garlic that's been peeled and smashed.
1 garlic clove adds subtle savory depth without making the spicy honey recipe taste like garlic bread.
The honey's hot, so now I'm going to add the peppers and garlic to infuse it with flavor. For an added touch, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes.
For this easy hot honey recipe, the fresh jalapenos add a bright, fresh pepper flavor, while the red pepper flakes build a deep, lingering heat.
That's it, pretty simple ingredients. Mix them in.
The heat level for this jalapeno hot honey can also be customized through adding cayenne pepper.
Keep it over low heat, occasionally stir, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it infuse all of the flavors.
Gently warming the honey preserves its natural floral flavor. Boiling can dull those delicate notes. After the 5 minutes is up, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Adding a splash of apple cider vinegar to this homemade condiment recipe brightens the sweetness and keeps the honey from tasting one-dimensional.
Take it off heat, put it to the side, and let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes.
The longer it rests, the more the peppers and garlic infuse into the honey, creating a rich flavor.
It's been 20 minutes, so now I'm going to take out the peppers and the garlic. I'm going to add them to a spicy butter garlic sauce for pizza. If you wanted to leave your peppers and garlic in, you could.
A fine sieve can be used to filter out the red pepper flakes if you like an ultra smooth hot honey. This stuff pretty much goes on anything. You can try it on pizza, fried chicken, wings, biscuits, cornbread, roasted vegetables, even on vanilla ice cream.
Pour it into a glass jar or a bowl, and you're ready to go. And there you have it. That's how you make a delicious, spicy hot honey. You can have this on the spot, or you can let it sit overnight to infuse the flavors, and then you can dive in.
Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this hot honey recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks again, and remember to keep whisking, y'all.